cameras.
Actually, I'll take this. But I need to sneeze so bad.
Do it. Sneeze.
I can't. Fuck!
Alright, guys, make sure to put that in the sneeze compilation.
I don't normally sneeze on stream, that was weird. Wait, what's sneeze compilation?
Clippers! Get ready!
Fuck?
Put that in your sneeze compilation!
What the hell? That doesn't exist.
Yes, it does, and Elira has like two parts of it. Or
What?
3, I don't remember. I don't remember how many parts she has in her sneeze compilation.
I gotta search this up.
Elira's sneeze compilation.
Well, yeah, not because I want to see it, but to see if it exists, you know?
Well, Mysta, I didn't know that's
I don't
how
wanna...
you feel about sneezes, Mysta.
Wait, no.
Wow,
I just want to
Mysta.
see if it
Oh my
exists. I don't believe you.
I didn't know you. You like.
No.
And that's what gets you going, Mysta. You know, to each their own. To each their own, Mysta.
No, I don't know what you're saying right now. Whoa! Jump pad is fun.
Oh, I thought you meant like while watching the sneeze compilation. Though. Whoa!
No.
Wait, yeah, they're right here. They're right here.